Alright guys, here we go. Welcome back. This is Carlos. Giving you a heads up. Received a check from my insurance company, and their pricing was basically for them to do the fender, the paint job just on that particular side of the fender. So they didn't count for me. Once I got the check, I just realized, okay, I can do the fender myself. I can do the grill myself. I mean, if I threw an engine in a car, I can handle the fender and the grill and the front grill. So they gave me a good deal for what it is. What I'm going to use is go to the salvage yard, in which, as you see, this is where I'm at. Okay, I forgot to bring my scuba gear. Okay, over here too. Let me show you. Oh yeah, I gotta navigate through all that mess over here, so I might have to jump on top of vehicles and on top of vehicles. And so anyways, here I am, my local salvage yard, and I came across a Chevy S10. Guess what? The fenders are the same. I managed to rip this one out already. It's already out. I just didn't want to show you the process of taking it out, but there's a bunch of bolts. Okay, these are all the bolts that I took out. Okay, so, and it took me about 10-15 minutes trying to find out which, had to get the washer fluid and pump out of the way in order for me to access some of the bolts on the inside right here. As you can see, bang, bang, bang. That was like 3 right here, and then 1 up top, 4. But nevertheless, already got it. It's straight. It's basically black. There's no dings, no dents, nothing, so it's good. The only problem is I couldn't get the grill. It's a Chevy. Mine's a Sonoma, so I'll be hunting out for another grill. So giving you guys a heads up. More to come. Okay, guys, already paid for it. I already put it in the back of my vehicle. I'm gonna go to, I couldn't get the grill, couldn't find one. Sorry for the noise, I'm still in the junkyard. So I'm gonna go find the grill now. Next step, grill. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to my local LKQ. I went a little further out, okay, in order for me to get that fender. I wanted to get a green truck just like mine so I don't have to paint it, but whatever money I got left, the plan is to get my vehicle painted. So right now, I'm in a traffic light waiting. Just gonna get to my local LKQ, and once we get in, gotta pay $3 to get in. Once we get in, I'm gonna go hunt for a grill, see how many options I got. And it's not the only salvage yard. It's my day off, so I got plenty of time all day. The weather's good, and guess what? It is the first 85-degree weather day out of all these 90, 95, 100 plus days, and it's been raining like a mother. So finally, that's why there was that big swamp at that junkyard. I mean, it was like raining for like 3 days non-stop, and it was a lot of water. I think we picked up like 6 or 7 inches of water, so it's a lot. Right now everything's drying. Thank God it's not hot and sweaty. That's why I'm able to go. I haven't been doing a lot of videos, guys, because the weather. I'm out there. I don't have a garage, and nothing to protect myself from the sun. So it's either too hot, and it's a summer month, so fall is right around the corner. So I think tomorrow on this video. So we're gonna do good. We're gonna find the grill, and more videos to come. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here we are, our local LKQ. That's where they're at. Alright, so here we go. Pay $3. Hopefully this is a lot drier over here, so we'll see. And hopefully we get the grill. So guys, I'm gonna find a vehicle and park. I'm gonna find a parking spot. I'm gonna find a parking spot and see what we can do. Alright, we found the parking spot. Here we go. Alright guys, we're in here. My local LKQ. Look at that. Drier, a lot drier. This is good. I gotta wear a mask to walk in here, so hey, gotta be safe. It's good. So now I gotta find my Chevy S10s. Good thing is they got them up high, so I can get some stuff underneath and not be like where I was in that swampy mess before over there at the other place. So I like it. Look at that. Look at that. They even got signs. It's all organized. Chevy, GMC. Okay, this is my area right here. So next clip, I'm just gonna show you a grill. Which wherever, as soon as I find the grill, rip that baby out. All right, guys. Alright, so here we go. Aisle by aisle. One turn at a time. Don't want to miss a vehicle. There may not be enough Chevy S10s around here. Little by little. We'll get there. Cut through here. I didn't think I see anything going forward. Look at that, a whole bed. This thing had rims. This is a Sonoma. Wow, look at that. Strange to see all four. Wow. Okay. See? Surprised they're still there. Wow, okay. Not much to it. We got the living daylights out of this one. Alright, moving forward. Nope. It's a Chevy. Can't do it. I want mine to look the same. Keep hunting. Keep hunting. Look what I see. Those that don't recognize this transmission right here. This is an NV 3500. And it's a 5-speed. The spline is a 10 spline on the input shaft. So y'all need to know about that. The NV 3500, it's a manual. I believe it came out of this vehicle here. There it is. It's a manual. And that's why it's already got the bell housing that's going to work with the LS. See, it's got the bell housing that's going to really work. And then the clutch slave cylinder will work beautiful with it. So no need to get another transmission. So if you find an NV 3500, you don't have to buy the adapter. It's already there. Alright, moving on. Look at this green monster. Of course, no grill. Alright, moving on. Look at that. They have to swim through. I didn't have to get my scuba gear just to get a fender. That one looks good. Easy to reach. Alright guys, so just to give you a heads up. Taking these out. There's one bolt in the back, okay? Back here. Where my finger is at. There you go. One bolt there. You take all these. All the way around. Okay? Take all of them out. And there's going to be right here where the door hinges are. That one there. That one there. The hood hinge. One right there. Okay? These two. Okay, right after the hood hinge. Okay? And then the forward, one in the front. Now in the front, once you get that one, you gotta get these right here. This one's already, the grill's already out. So see, you gotta get the one that's on the inside. You gotta take the washer out to get that one out. And then these two. Those are the ones I couldn't show you. But now since this one's ready to go, look at it, boom. So you get a total of like 10, 12 bolts. And you should be good to go. You can just pop right out. Alright, for those that don't know, now you know. Okay, so I found the grill for the Green Monster S10 over here. Inside the LKQ. Here it is. Alright, so here's the problem with this one. It's a GMC, but look at the lights. They're the long ones. One of the regular steel beam 4x6s. I would have to kind of change things up for me to make this one work. So, no go. I'd rather buy it new because it's like $50-something new. No, I'd rather buy it new and make the modifications myself if I need to. But no, I want the original stuff. Alright guys, we're at the back of my vehicle now. Just left LKQ. The only thing I was able to get was wiper motor. I need one. Gotta test out, see if the one I have is bad. So I have two, and then just a windshield trim piece that I needed, because one of my windshield end pieces is basically busted. This one's better than the one I got. So I'm just gonna replace it. It's just 4 screws on the side there, and we're good. Total 28 bucks. So all right, moving on. Couldn't find that grill, so I'm gonna end up either fixing the one I got or ordering one online. All right, here we go. All right guys, so now we're gonna go home. I'm gonna slap this fender on, put everything together, see where we're at with that grill, because I can probably fix that grill. All I need is just basically fiberglass mesh and epoxy glue. Put that together and we'll see, because to get a new grill, it'll cost me about $150 something just for that grill, new. Okay, aftermarket. I was trying to go to the salvage yard, but I cannot find one just like mine. So I think I'm better off fixing the one I got. It'll cost me whatever materials I get for me to go fix it. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna slap the fender on first, put the bumper together, because the bumper is good. It's just it got misplaced. So we'll go from that point on. We'll see how much money I can save, because the rest of the money that I can save is definitely gonna go towards paint. Okay, so you guys let me know if I should just keep it the same color or go with a semi-gloss black, because these are the 2 colors that I want. The same one that I got right now as we speak, or semi-gloss black. So guys, let me know. Alright, so just turning my truck on. I'm just actually gonna park it in the driveway. Just gonna move it over here in the driveway so I won't be in the middle of the road for me to change this driver's side fender. So giving you a heads up, that fuel pressure sensor that I installed, let me wait for this thing to focus, because right now it's, there you go. Alright, fuel pressure, I got a readout now. Oil pressure is doing pretty good. Alright, love it. I'm just gonna go and move the vehicle, work on the fender, get it done. Alright guys, there's the fender. That's what she looks like. And what I gotta fix is this right here. It's this corner, and in here, I think I can glue it together. Just gotta bend this back down and do what I gotta do with the fender, because the fender's already pulled out. So with the fender I got, it's gonna work out. Put the bumper back in. Alright, so here we go. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, salvage fender is installed. Look at that. Good job. Man, like I've done this before. Nice and straight. Don't mind the tape, I got glue, so I'm just holding it with tape right now until it dries. So I'm gonna salvage my grill. I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding, prepping, putting some glaze putty and all that stuff. So I'll be alright. But right now, she looks good. Not bad. Just want to show you the results, guys. There you go. Save some money. When I get a chance, guess what? Gonna get painted.